Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get start the video without wasting your time. So guys, how to remove phone number trusted on Apple ID on iPhone, iPad, iOS updated. So let's get started the video. First of all, open settings on your iPhone and then tap on Apple ID profile. Now tap it. And then tap on sign in and security. After that is new appear on screen and then scroll down and click on two-factor authentications. After that is new appear on screen and verify using his numbers, your trusted phone number and verified your two-factor authentications. Now tap it. Now this phone number can be used to verify your identity and help recover your account. Just how can remove? So now he is asking remove from account. Tap it. Now please add in your trusted phone number before removing the phone. Your most beliefs and trusted phone number for account. Now tap continue. Enter iPhone passcode. Now enter new phone number and then tap on continue and again tap your phone number new. Now enter iPhone passcode. Verify phone number. Please enter the verification code sent to your phone number. Type it. Now you can see old phone number removed from your Apple ID. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.